Sometimes your passion just turns into something more, and this is so unexpected too. My sister-in-law asked me if I could redo some of her planters that's just been stuck in her storage or garage. What do you think I said? I said, oh sure, I'd do it. So she gave me all these planters, really pretty. Used to hold bonsai. Two of them used to hold bonsai. Few of them were a project from her son's summer program, and I said, sure, let me see what I can come up with. And so this is what I came up with, and hopefully that you guys can spark your imagination. And if you're like me, you want to make some money, why don't you advertise it, or ask your friends and family if they want you to, or put a succulent arrangement in what once was just a planter, like a plain old planter. So I just want to walk you through this project that I got real quickly. So I hope you guys like it, and subscribe, like, and share. One of the planters that I am going to replant all of these plants into here. It's huge. I didn't realize how big it is. And here she is in all her glory. So pretty. I'm gonna add some rocks that would, I don't know, I would either contrast it or match it with the theme of the sea, ocean, whatever. And oh, how pretty. Look how pretty. And if you turn it around, no matter which side you're on, you still have beauty. Okay, and that's how you do a centerpiece. This has to be a centerpiece because it's huge. But even if it wasn't, it's still, whichever side it's on, it still has the beauty and style. So here's the other one that was commissioned too. Used to be a bonsai there, but I just figured I would do a forest. Whoops. I almost broke his fishing pole. Anyway, this part of the planter did not have a drainage hole, so I figured I'd just do it so that it looks like water. So I added the white and the blue rocks, and then here is your greens, and you turn it. Beautiful. Okay, no water for at least a week. Very shallow planter here, so this will probably only last 6 months before she has to repot this, all of this, in order to keep the plants alive. Otherwise it'll die. I really don't know what to do with this one though, because it's my nephew's, and this was right here. You know how like kids create. This was here. So I'm gonna reuse this for sure, but I don't know about the sand. Kind of weird. So I'm just removing it and putting it aside because I really don't know what to do with it. How am I gonna be creative about this stuff right here? I have to think like a child, like a creative child. What to do, what to do. So yeah, I'm just removing the pink and blue sand. For this one, I ended up just putting back the one plant that he had in there. And then what I did was I repurposed the sand that was on top, but I put them in the bottom here. And I also added that charcoal type thing. It's a white charcoal, so it doesn't rot, since it doesn't have a drainage. Then I just, what's up, bro? Then I just added a few plants and his little man that goes on top. Then I took all his stickers, and instead of being all around, I left the jewels on there. But instead of being around the top where it would clash with the beauty of the plants, I just restocked them underneath. So it kind of also disguised the soil. So yeah, that's what I did. That's what I did. And I'm hoping that he takes care of this. Don't you? Maybe his mom will. I don't know.
And as always, if you like this video, please smash the like button, share, comment, and click the subscribe button so you don't miss out. And remember, XOXO!